Yo, what's up, you? You. Hopefully that's a nice introduction for you guys today. We're going to be working on some here. By the way, big rest in peace to the legend Akira Toriyama. Akira Toriyama, rest in peace, man. Rest in peace. Alright guys, let me just announce to the world on Discord. By the way, if you haven't joined the Discord, links in the description of this video. I'll probably make a post on my Twitter or my X account, essentially giving all the deets to the Discord so you can just join it in it, right? But yeah, we have a Discord. If you haven't already, join the YouTube. Links in the description of the live streams there. I also have it in the community. I post it all the time, so make sure to join that. Be a part of the growing Discord community over here at Nazareth Studios. But let me go ahead and let everyone know that we are live and that we are streaming. Right? By the way, guys, big thing for the day, okay? We need to get to 500 by next month. All right, guys, we need to make the push. We need to make the rush. We need to get it. All right, so make sure to sub, like the videos. Actually, I want to go back there. I need to go. I need to get the video. I need to get the video. We is live streaming. Oh, dude, it's Aox. Aox in the building. How's it going, Aox? Who am I talking to? Who am I talking to, Aox? You. I'm talking to you, brother. You. That's right, you. We want you to like the stream. Right now. So, today, I got a couple of things I want to do. Wait, do I already have this? Yeah, probably. Hold. Okay. Yeah, we've already got this. We can archive that. We don't need it. Yeah, we need to do that. We'll do this. We'll put this up here above all that. Good, you? I'm doing excellent, man. I won't lie, I'm a little tired this morning. I started boxing again last night. Went to the gym, was boxing. Blah, 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 blah. Went to the boxing gym. My body is completely sore, dude. It's crazy how not going for a couple of months, you can really feel how slow you've gotten. Hey, Amin, welcome to the stream. How's the virtual voice going? You still working on it, or have you closed that venture? By the way, is the music bursting? Oh. My throat's already getting sore. I can feel it, guys. By the way, I'm gonna put a filter on here so we can duck the audio. Do the mic ox. Hello. Yo, let's turn it way down. Try to get this synchronized a little bit. Turn it more down, come on. There we go. Wait, so if I, sorry, I'm mic testing. This is probably, I don't want to do this on stream, you know? Yes, so cool music. Thank you. No, I'm making Code Manager. Ooh, for what? To manage all of your code? So you can call all of your code from one script, the Code Manager script, the CM script. Like to run scripts and then changing their parameters on the web. No problem, yeah. So how you doing this morning, Ox? I said you said you're doing good, but I really want to know how good. How good are you doing, bro? Are you doing excelente good, or are you doing fabuloso good? All right? Sorry, I got a lot of energy. All right, guys. So today we're going to be working on a little bit of UI. We got to work on some UI, some quick UI. I think it'll be helpful. So just to kind of get the idea across, right? Let me pull this up. Get up off my hand. I play Call of Duty Ghosts. Ooh. Is that the horror like game? The horror variation of Call of Duty? So guys, we're gonna make like a UI similar to this today, like a progress bar. We'll make it look a lot better in the future, but the idea is I feel like there's a disconnect when you go to tap and you're holding it down, because you don't know. It's like unimmersive a little bit, because you have no idea when you're gonna transition into that state. Right? Amin says, also, it's going to be helpful for hosting Discord bots and Telegram bots. Okay, so what, you just run a command and it'll throw it on a server? But yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're going to try to get this UI system up and outy. And then we're going to work on creating another system that essentially locks onto a character, and then from there we can do everything else. We can do the jumpage stamina component. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, like the stream. All right, join the Discord, link in the description. Keep the inscription. My user widget. Yeah, see, so this needs to change. We call this my user widget, but you know, it's primarily for creating the health system. It's not really for creating anything else. Okay, I get it. I can navigate. It's for all like updating the hearts, yada yada. And I mean, it works, but it's called my user widget. Hey, it's Chase. Welcome to the stream, Chase. Always ahead of pace. And yes, I am alive. Thank the Lord. Praise be to God. He bridges through all the facade and bumps the music so your head can nod, you know? I mean, it says I can stop the script at a specific bot or run it again from the web, and also changing their parameters. Okay, their parameters. Welcome, 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 everyone. All right, so, man, this is a little, I mean, I made this, but we're gonna have to figure out how to modularize this a little bit more. Because right now I have one user class or user widget class, and you know, obviously it's what I use here. I just put it on this, and then it does the thing. Simple, right? I click play, it shows itself, it creates the hearts. All right, but I need a base user widget class that all of these can maybe spawn from, and then call this one the health widget. Eventually, we'll have to add a delay to this as well. All right, but we're working on this, guys. So how bad would it be if I just renamed this? Like just renamed it. My user widget. What if I just renamed this? Right? Like I renamed it, yada yada. Constant object initializer. I wonder if this is... I don't know what this is for. F object initializer. This is why it's important to create development journal, guys, so you can keep track of this stuff, and it cements the information a little bit more. Okay. Let's view property. View property. View property. This can potentially give us some bad results by not having those view properties. But yeah, let's refactor this, rename. You, my health widget. Renaming a U class can break existing data and assets. What do you suggest to do in the lion bot, dude? Just make sure the lion bot's never lying. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ha. I've returned. From the light or the shadows, dude? Which one? Be specific. Where are you returning from? You can tell us you're taking a poopy. You were taking a poopy, weren't you? You pooper. I don't know why you guys watch me. But realizing how big of a nerd I am, I do appreciate y'all. From green? Dude, you've returned from green? That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Lionbot? I don't want to change his name. I like his name. Maybe we'll make like a judo robot skin, and then you can use that as the bot's profile pic. All right, so I mean, I guess in the health widget, I could potentially have this responsible for other things as well, but when we instantiate, let's look at how we do this. I need to figure out how we redo all this again. It's been a while since I've worked on these UI widgets. Right. Let's go to the game mode. I think I spawn them in the game mode. We'll find out. Nope. Is it in the level BP? How do you get to the level? Open level blueprint. Yep, it's in the level. Cast to main character. As main character, we create the UI stats health widget. Right? Roar. What you working on? I'm working on creating this. Obviously, it's going to look cleaner, but I want to have a progress bar for the prowl stance. So, you know, there's a real disconnect when you're holding down and you're like, oh, you want. I feel like you're going to want to see the progress on, you know, the hold progress essentially when you're transitioning from a standing stance or walking stance to the prowl stance. I feel like it would help. So the biggest issue here today that we're going to be facing, I have an idea, bro. He is sleeping. Me? Dude, I wish I was sleeping. Why you gotta make me sad like that? So the biggest issue is we got our progress bar, right? Let's say somebody touches right here. I want this progress bar to spawn next to the player. Right to the left of his finger. Or when you're clicking, it'll, you know, like let's say you click, it'll spawn right here. Near the finger. But I guess the first thing is in order is to get this. Yeah, that's right. I was reading One Punch Man, okay? I'm stoked for season 3. I'm stoked for season 3. Man, where would I put... Yeah, we're gonna have to have a UI. We're gonna have to have a UI. UI details. I don't know. I guess I could just call it UI. Yeah, I'll do details. This looks weird without it. Let's insert. Hey, Aox, you left us, dude. That's gonna... Why'd you leave, bro? What's going on, man? I need to make the automatic font size 12. Whoa. Let's bust this over again. We're gonna plop this to the side. We're gonna write about this a little bit today. Okay. Bit about this today to get this functioning correctly. Sorry, it's alright, man. I mean, I forgive you for entering, leaving, entering back, leaving again, entering. You know, it's a fun little merry-go-round that I'm appreciative to be a part of. Appreciating. Part of. Don't worry about the English or the whatever that structure of whatever I just spoke. All right, so some of the big things is spawns. Probably don't want this to be spawns near player's finger, or I should say appears near player's finger. Does not show when a touch is not present. Right? I do make game, but I must make this really quick to organize thoughts. Appears near player's finger. I want to have like little stances here to indicate it as well. You make game. What game's name? What game names? The game name of this game is Judah and Friends. It's Judah and Friends, my friend. Appears near player's finger. Does not show when a touch is not present. Indicates how close a player is to transition into ground mode. I'll be honest, this probably should go above here, right? But we're gonna have just some UI details here, just to kind of go in depth on some of these things. Thanks. Yeah, no problem, man. No problemo. Let's do health indicators. I don't know. We'll work on that later. But sponsor your player. Does not show when a touch is not present. Disappears when player finger from screen. Sorry. Also, after you have transitions, or disappears when player transitions into prowl mode. I'm subscribed and I like and I watch live YouTube. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I like that you watch the live streams and you're subscribed, bro. I appreciate you. So give me the what are you working on, man? Give me the details, dude. Give me the juicy details. What's your game? Or do you just like game development? Indicates how close the player is to transitioning into brow mode. Appears near player's finger. Does not show when touch is not present. Disappears when player releases finger from screen. Disappears when the player transitions into brow mode. I think that pretty much covers it. I mean, I guess I could just say appears. And it's kind of a given, but I guess I guess just in case someone's in the future like, you know, thanks. Yeah, no problem, man. Thank you, dude. I like Super Mario mini games. Oh, okay. So you like the Mario Builder games where you can create the levels and stuff? I like watching those videos where the people speed run through those. But yeah, this is gonna be this is a placeholder for now. It's just gonna be a simple progress bar that rises from bottom to top. And I also should add that from bottom to top. Progresses from bottom to top. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. But yeah, we're just writing some stuff down as we go. So let's kind of work on the Trello to get some of these things done. I should have worked on this earlier, but I ended up doing boxing again. Actually, I think I can just... We gotta fix that. Let's add some more details to this, and we will go into here, and we're just gonna copy these and post them in there. Look. I love you, speedrun, and I like speedrun, and I like all your games, dude. I appreciate it, man. We're gonna have speedruns in Judah, dude. But yeah, wherever the player clicks, it's gonna appear. And I think that's gonna help with just being immersive, giving us that information, right? There's kind of a bit of a disconnect, as I said, when the player clicks, and it takes a second for this to occur. While it's fast, right? You know. We just got to make sure it appears after the threshold. So what we're going to do, I believe, in the base player controller is essentially send out some delegates that are like, yo, we're past the tap threshold. And we're moving on into, well, no, we can't, because the tap threshold is like 0.98. So if you jump anytime before entering, or if you release anytime before entering into the prowl stance, you'll jump. You look like Zumba. Who be Zumba, dude? Like Zumba, the physical activity? Zumba. You be looking like this, bro? Why you smiling, Chase? You making fun of me again, dude? Chase is always making fun of me, chat. So I could have like a class that all of these inherit from, like I have been doing. Interesting. Chase Lee, you're gonna make me so mad, dude. He's always like, interesting, I would have done that in 2 seconds with blueprints. My name's Chase Lee. You have 3 PCs? I have a tablet, I have a monitor, and then I have my main monitor. So I have 3 monitors, 1 PC. I did have a laptop, so essentially 2, but I gave the laptop to my little brother. He was in the Maui fire in Hawaii, lost everything, lost his PC, his clothes, his bed, everything. So I felt bad, I gave him his stuff. I gave him the laptop. He said he wanted to go to school. But yeah. I guess the first thing would be getting... We can make a progress bar, right? So, shoot. I don't know if I just create... I don't know if I just create one instead of creating a whole nother widget. I'm trying to think of how I should do this. View user widgets. View user widgets. It just feels weird to create something like this for everything.
And you don't know where to start.
Right?
Relax. Now you can use.
That's nice of you, just like how it's nice of you to play Dude, don't mention that part, okay? I am a man. I never play Barbies, guys. I never play Barbies. Don't listen to this guy, okay?
Need to find the perfect gift?
Don't listen to this guy.
Try gift mode on Etsy.
Make game 3D. It is 3D. There is 3 dimensions within the manifold of this game. And I don't think manifold's the right word, but it's the one we're using. Okay. My progress bar widget. I'm just gonna progress bar widget. Yeah. I never play. I don't play Barbies. Okay, guys. It's just that's not my thing. I'm a manly man, right? I go outside. I lift rocks, right? Do stuff like that. Why is your hat pink? Maybe because you put a filter on the stream. Okay. Ox. No, not you, man. Not you, bro. All right, I'm gonna have these base user widget. All right. I'm gonna have it inherit from this class. What is this for? I'm assuming this allows me to initialize it during some instance. This one? That face cam? Chasely, you better stop trolling me, bro. I'm talking to you, brother. I'm talking to you. But yeah, base user widget's gonna have stuff that everything will inherit from. Essentially, I'll be able to call these things in there and do stuff like that. Perfect. All right, guys, I'm just gonna keep this on. This is gonna stop Chase Lee from picking on me. Is that better? Is that better, guys? You like it like that? Is that how it needs to be? I got a bottle of water, dude. I'm healthy in that picture. It's empty. See the empty water bottle? I drink my water, chat. I drink my water. What do you mean? He doesn't have no pictures. I look great with that. Chase Lee, you better stop it, bro. You what come from? I come from the bathroom like 2 seconds ago, dude. I was using it. I don't know what to say there. But yeah, okay, so we need to spawn this at the person's fingertip. You know what, I have a feeling that maybe I should just... So let's check out my health widget to see what I have. Wow, claps hands. Chase Lee. How's your game going, dude? Are you making more mechanics? Do you got any leaks for us, bro? Any leaks? Oh my god. I think in this case, though, we just literally need, not yet? Why not, dude? You should be working on something every day. I want to see a new mechanic. Progress. View progress bar. Really? That's a thing? Actually, we don't want that. This is going to be our base class. This is where we're going to call delegates and da-da-da. So, base widget. We don't want that. What was that creating? Me game good, but my PS3 control not good. Why don't you just get a new PS3 controller, bro? Base player controller. Widgets. Base widget blueprint. That's not what I called it, is it? My base user widget, bro. Not my base widget blueprint. Oh, you like Warzone? I worked on the first Warzone in quality assurance. At Infinity Ward through Volt, and it was so fun, dude. I had a great time. The people there were great. They were so nice and welcoming. I felt like I was a part of a family. Okay, so first let's create a U progress bar. Progress bar. First of all, I'm so excited to get to do all of this UI stuff again. Actually, I'm not. It's a joke, guys. I hate UI. It's fun. It has its own fun meter attached to it. I don't know. Oh, progress. For what, you sorry? Oh, it's all right, man. Chase Lee says, I'm not working right now. Why not? You're just chilling? What are you doing? He's probably in Discord playing a game. Oh, no, he's not. He's chilling. He's big chilling. He's probably getting ready for bed. Rest his little Chase Lee head, dude. So if I wanted to create a progress bar, typically you would throw this in here, right? obviously we want to have the canvas panel, so we're gonna have to add this and then make a child of this. I believe last time, yeah, I had to create a canvas panel and then make it a child of this canvas panel. I'm not working right now. You're just breathing. Actually getting a little sick. But if I wanted to add a progress bar. So the idea is that we create a progress bar. Something like this. That spawns near wherever the player clicks his finger. And that's going to indicate, you know, indicate things. But we have to go from bottom to top, right? Trying to see what this is, canvas panel. But regardless, let's go check out. I know there's a way to do this. I remember last time I would have never figured this out if someone in chat didn't come in and tell me. I'll have to get rid of that later. For now, let's... What is this song, dude? I'm not vibing to this, bro. Okay. Set heart amount, create hearts. So we just get how many hearts we're gonna make, and then after that we create the hearts. But in here there's obviously something. Widget tree root equals canvas panel. Yep, this is it right here, chat. See this, chat? This is it, bros. Oh, man. So this is going to get the canvas panel bind widget. It's going to be named canvas panel, I believe. I don't... Let's see what this is named. Canvas panel, UI stats, prowl, progress, canvas panel. So now we just need to make a progress bar. It's crazy. Hey, what's up, Amin? Welcome back, bro. U property, progress bar. Progress widget style. I don't think I'll need anything here. I mean, welcome back. We missed you. Yeah, I did miss you guys. I missed you guys. It means like 5 people, dude. Think about it. Oh, it's Safe. Welcome to the stream, Safe. He wanted to add the gun emoji, dude. We can add the gun emoji if it's Triguns. All right. Trigun. Vash gun. We can have this one. This is the only one. Because it shoots rubber bullets, dude. Not gun, a different one. Make a green dude emoji. Why a green dude? I like how Safe is the only one asking or making suggestions. Why don't you guys make some suggestions? Go in there, Chase Lee, make a suggestion, man. Nerf gun? Dude, I'm down with the Nerf gun, actually. We can do a Nerf gun. Also, that's a good suggestion. I like this. Like, it's a little game. We call it it's a Nerf gun game. You like have a chance to you like make a command and you shoot a Nerf gun at somebody, and if you hit them, they're tagged. My suggestions, dude. Your suggestions can't be that bad. All right, so one, we need to figure out, let's go back here to this. I'm gonna tell you this right now, guys. Okay. I know, I saw the green dude. I don't want the green dude, man. Look at this green dude. Look at him, dude. I don't want a green dude. I want Jesus. It's at the top, I believe, in suggested. Server suggestions. We got gaming chat, gaming clips. Alright, let's figure out the size of this. Position, we don't care about position. We just care about the scale. So, size, like 35, or we'll do 30 maybe. 30 and... we'll do 225. I don't know. We can always play with that. We'll make those parameters. All right. Bar. Are you sure? Scroll down. Paul, can I add a different color, dude? You could try, but it's up to everyone to vote it in. Progress bar parameters. Which color dude do you guys want? Vote. Blue. Blue. I'll go for blue. We can do blue. What do you guys think? Blue? So we have the size X, size Y. We can just set this to there. Let's view function. We can call this void set progress bar size. Set progress bar position. Might want to make that all capitals. U function void set progress bar progress. Here we're gonna probably need a float progress. For the we're gonna need to hide this. Hide or set I added a suggestion. What's the suggestion? AVC only for chart. Chase Lee. Waz, that's what you want? How about we have VC? VC is obtainable by hitting certain marks, winning challenges. Huh? So you're saying a voice channel? You want a voice channel for yourself? What was that, Count Dooku or something? I forget his name. Count Dookie? Count Dooku. Dooku. Yeah. Look at this dude. Only if you set your profile pic to this, dude. But it has to be this. Face. Like right here. You can't do the cool one like this. None of these cool ones. Gotta be this one, bro. This has gotta be like a GIF or something. Like, what did you say? What did you say? This is gonna be bull. Value, I don't care. F vector 2D. Position. And in here, this is gonna be size. Honestly, I could just put 2 floats. And then in here, we'll also make a function to void reset progress bar progress. me all the things. All of the things. So, we want the progress bar. I think this is it. We can set the position, set heart canvas plot, new X offset, offset pose. Yes. Yes. Is this pick good enough? That one? No. A Quran channel. Sorry, man, no. It's a Christian Discord, man. Yes. Yes. This must be it. Okay, so we got to figure out how to set this stuff. I need to restart Discord. Is that literally that's what you've changed it to? He, him, Sith. Lick Lee back at it again. I'm gonna use the restroom. I'll be right back, guys. Finally, we're free. Wow. Is that how you feel about me? That's rude. Set health state. We get that. But I'm trying to figure out how we particularly set the size. We set the position here. We have an offset position. Set canvas slot reference, set size, canvas panel slot size. So what we have to make this canvas add child. So we have to add the child. We add the heart, and then in here, canvas panel slot, set slides. Is that what's in here as well? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Okay. So, view function, or what? Void. Virtual void on or native on initialize. Go ahead and generate this. We only have one progress bar, so we don't need to go in and do a bunch of stuff. Safe wanted us to run away? Why are you sorry, Ox? What happened, man? Prowl progress bar. We're not going to set the render scale. We're going to have to essentially get the... So in here, we're going to add child. Prowl progress bar. So on initialize, this is going to be set. And we are going to... set progress bar, not size, visibility to false. It's Slate. That's interesting. Try this really quick. You know what? We'll just do it. We'll do this. We'll do this. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make this a bool. All right, but we're gonna say if true, if value, you know, it's visible. Let's lick Lee. Lick Lee. Lee, how do you feel about this, man? Are you scared? I would be. Let's go here, place this here, copy, delete, place here. We'll do visible. I don't know if this is specifically gonna work, but I guess we'll find out. I mean, I know that logically this will work, but I don't know if this is how you particularly set the visibility. One thing, we're gonna have to get access to the floats here, but we'll worry about that later. But for now, let's go ahead and I guess sorry. In here if I remember, prowl progress bar, get or canvas slot size, what is it? We add it, canvas panel slot. Widget tree, construct widget. Okay, so we have to create U health heart. Okay. Woo! This is pretty in-depth. I didn't know we had we do have a health heart. Poor Lee, man. So this has a canvas panel slot, but this needs to have a U property component to it. This shouldn't be an issue. Can I delete that? Yeah, we shouldn't have an issue with this. especially since we're adding new property to this. Object member, stale, resulting in a stale pointer. Let's ask chat. GPT. Chat GPT. I mean, that fixes that. Too much tonguiness. This is interesting. I didn't realize that this was gonna be the things we talk about today. He died from sadness. He's sad from being licked. All right. I'm trying to figure out why this is the case. Let's look at how this is initialized, because apparently that's a thing too. I mean, I guess we're not even initializing it really, but I didn't feel like we'd have to because we're just sending a U property. So I don't really need to do this, do I? This is interesting. Now we'll go back to dead mode. Is that the one where you ignore us and make us feel like you don't want to talk to us anymore? Yeah, if anyone knows why this is occurring, let me know. A stale pointer. I could... Yeah, I was like, there's no way that's gonna work. It's saying these things aren't initialized, but I don't have to create these objects, right? Is it because I'm using the object initializer that this is occurring? Canvas panel, health comp ref, heart mount are not initialized in this constructor. I feel like they had to be. Horizontal offset. Why would it need to be that if I am gonna have to look at why I did this. And it's not something I have in here as well. I don't even think I need this. Okay. So I have to initialize these. That's interesting. I didn't know that was a thing. 3 days later, I'm back. Nice, man. Your days pass by pretty quick, dude. Must be defined or deleted. I mean, I kind of did that, didn't I? Do I need to do this and then that? I mean, it wasn't necessary for the other thing. Expected this, whatever. That's interesting. That's occurring. That's a false negative. Can you stop dying? So I'm assuming it's saying you have to get this by casting to it. So what? You canvas. I mean, I'd have to make something in here. And then in here, we could simply, on the initialize after we added the child, we can say that the canvas plot is equal to cast What is this? U canvas panel slot, and then we can pass in. Pass in size X, size Y. Whatever. F vector 2D. Size X. Well, that should set that. Whoa. Hey, it's Buenos. Welcome, Buenos. Go in my taco. Did you just call him a bean? I hope you didn't. Because I will literally ban you. I will literally ban you. I hope you didn't mean bean, bro. I'm gonna let you know that right now. I will ban you. There'll be no racist comments tolerated in this channel, so you need to let me know if you're saying, when you say you meant bean. Yeah, you're banned, dude. Yeah, that's a racist comment, bro. Buenos, not bean. Oh, you mean like his name Bean? I'll leave this in Bueno's hand. Buenos, do you take that as a racist comment? Because he could have accidentally meant your name. Granted, I'll give him that. Yeah, I don't mean to come off. Well, I do, because it's serious. What do you think, Buenos? If you think that's racist, let me know. Because I'll tell you right now, that won't be tolerated here. Absolutely not tolerated. Alright, yeah. Yeah, let me go in here. Alright. Yeah, I liked having you around safe, but you can't be saying racist stuff in here, dude. It's Buenos, not Bean. If you want to get unbanned, you gotta make like a formal apology in the Discord, and Buenos has gotta say it's okay. Because you made that comment towards him. So if you want to make a formal apology here in Discord to Buenos, if Buenos accepts it, then you can come back. But you need to be really careful with that. And that goes for everyone. Stuff like that won't be tolerated here. I just want everyone to know I'm half Hispanic as well. So that... Yeah, no problem, Buenos.
Your neighborhood grocery outlet has the name brands you love.
Yeah, it's no problem at all, man.
Prices. But do you ever wonder how we do it? Simple. We buy opportunistic items for less.
All right, so we're setting the size.
Brand has
when we set the position, we are going to need an offset.
They call us. There's no club.
So let's go in here.
Stop by your local grocery outlet today and let the bargain.
Yeah, man. If he apologizes you in Discord and you wanna accept his apology and say it's cool for him to come back in here, that's all fine and dandy. But you know, just because he apologizes doesn't mean you have to accept it, right? So just know that. I'm gonna make a U property edit anywhere, right? Blueprint, read write. We're gonna make category. We're gonna make a F vector 2D. Position offset. So we're gonna hand dial in an offset. So we have the position offset now. So there's a couple things here that we're gonna need. We need a touch position. Then once we get the touch position, we can set the position of the bar to that. And when we get the touch position, we're gonna need this in screen space, I believe, not world space in particularly. So this will return like a 2D vector. Set the position of the bar to that. So we're going to set the position of the bar to that 2D vector and then add the offset. Yeah. Also, some things we could try to do is just add this somewhere at the top if this doesn't work as planned. Set progress bar progress. In here, we're going to need access, get handle or get held duration, and set the progress bar to that. Obviously, when we call this, we can just say progress bar. But anyways, how you doing, Buenos? How's it going, man? How's the projects? What is this called? Progress? How is there not a thing percent? There we go. To the progress. The getter or setter. Okay. I'm doing good. How about you? I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. As always, blessed by the Lord. You know, I started doing boxing again yesterday, so I'm a little excited about it, but my body is killing me. My body is killing me. Unbanned safe, he said sorry. Alright, cool. How do I unblock someone here? Sorry guys, I'm gonna need a second to figure out how to unblock someone. How to unban someone. I don't know why they need to make. Alright, so we just simply go to save. Channel. Yeah, see if he can talk in here again. Safe said something and I had to ban him, but he apologized to Bueno, so I'm gonna unban him. But I need to figure out how to do it first, so I'm trying to figure out what that is.
A fraction of a raindrop.
Yeah, he should be unbanned.
At up to 100 times more. The tiniest amount of illegal.
Apparently you have to go on the channel and there's a flag that you can
mixed
click.
into heroin, cocaine,
But
pills, meth, and other drugs.
yeah.
It could be in your drugs, and you wouldn't be able to see it, taste it, or smell it.
So hopefully that works.
cdph.ca.gov/fentanyl.
If not,
Sponsored by
he's
the
gonna have to
California
inform
Department
me.
of Public Health. Okay, we're 0-0. Also, I think on here we're going to progress bar. Was this mode? Banana. Okay, cool. It's good to see you back in here. I appreciate you apologizing, Safe. All right, that's very manly of you, man. And I think that's how I should handle bans in the future, is apologies. All right. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out. Sorry, I don't know why I'm moving all around here. Progress bar. Yeah, I want to go in here, and I want to look at. Where do we set this? Progress. Bar fill type. That's what it's called. Let's look that up. Bar fill type. E progress bar fill type. Bottom to top. Okay, I guess you do this. Never mind, I guess we do this. I mean, what did he do? I don't want to per se say what he did, but I'm assuming because Buenos accepted it, he accidentally made a bad comment. And also, shout out to Buenos too for being such a forgiving person. Ruffle caught him because I leaked his position. Russell? Yeah, he does look a little ruffly though, I'll say that. Well, it's as the Bible says, man. You know, You're not wrong. But I'm sure if you forgive him, God's definitely forgiven him. It was an accident, I think, anyways, but I couldn't say. It just seemed really, really, really bad, so who knows. But yeah, that's all water under the bridge. Let's move forward and talk about game development, man. Game design, all that beautiful stuff. So we've set fill type, add to a child of the canvas, right? Then we're going to get the canvas slot, the progress bar is in. Then we're going to set progress bar to invisible, right? We want this to be invisible and essentially re-rendered. Honestly, visibility, if it's invisible, I want to reset, or if it's hidden, I want to reset progress bar to, yeah. Oh yeah, you sell pottery, I forgot that. I use for my game RAR. You guys know what blueprints are? Poor Chase Lee, he's like, man, if I just saw him make some blueprints, it might help me in my own progress. Man, what if this is a sign from God that you should learn how to code, bro? Oh, what type of seafood are you gonna be making, Safe? You better be making that shark burger, bro. That's cool you make pottery, though. That's a very, very hard thing to do. You gotta be a very patient person to do that. So anytime this is invisible, when hidden, it's assumed that the prowl stance has been achieved, and we can also reset the progress bar. Reset. Other than that, we can set the progress bar's position, but this is going to be difficult for several reasons. Also, we're going to want to set the size as well on initialize. Set progress. And what did I call these in here, chat? I'm learning slowly, but I'm also learning Python to help code with my friend. That's good, dude. Keep that up, right? You're doing great, man. Just keep up, keep learning. Did you ever check out Code Wars? Because that helped me. That helped me. There's also another site that I completely forgot because I stopped caring about being a software engineer. All right. Depends. If you asked me last week, yeah. If today, maybe. I do bowls, plates, mugs, vases, and other stuff, but yeah. Do you get it looking like, how nice? Do you have pictures of anything you make? Because I'm trying to think, like, are you just doing the regular ceramics? I know people do other stuff where they can get some, like, real clean looking colors in them. But I don't know, per se, what that entails. Yeah, Code Wars is great, dude. right? You know, every day you come in here, you do a couple of these. Essentially, you can create one. You pick your language, and you get prompts, and you solve the prompts, and then you get was it Kaida, or yeah, something. Earn ranks and honors. So the more you do, the more you earn ranks. You can achieve more and more. Do Kaita, I think they're called. But it's a nice way to learn, and they add a little bit of a game value to it, so it makes it fun too. Invisible. So we've set the progress size, we set the visibility to false, which is going to make this 0 by default, which is fine because we're not going to be using that anyways right when it immediately comes up. I'm going to send you in DC, but you got to see them. I make them on the wheel myself, by the way. That's sick. Alright, so now that we have all this done, we need to find a way to get the touch position, right? Which indicates to me that I will have to make...
Like that, let's put it online and see what happens.
Every time we do a touch begin, I'll have to do a delegate that casts out, and then I'll get that delegate here and add a dynamic binding to it, so whenever it occurs, we could set the position to the position and the offset. But I guess right now, since we don't have the touch position per se, we could write out, you know, how we're going to add. And I'm trying to figure out if we want to add this or subtract from it. So, we'll find that out right now, actually. If I move this to the left, yeah, so we'll want to subtract. We'll want to subtract. We'll want to subtract. Later on, we can get into the colors and stuff like that. But that's the idea. So we're going to want to subtract. I guess I could subtract. We could subtract the X and add on the Y so it goes up a little bit. I believe that's how it moves upwards, right? If you move upwards, it adds. No, it subtracts. So we'll just subtract entirely. I believe. I will subtract. If you use blueprints, you know what? It'd be easier. Yeah, I get it. But I prefer doing it this way just because it feels a little bit quicker for me. I'm not moving around 5 different, you know, BPs. I'm moving in code, and it helps with programming a little bit more, which I like because I feel like you have more control when you program, and it reinforces and solidifies your programming skills, and therefore makes it so you can program other things as well outside of Unreal. I'll print you in blue. Are you serious? In blue, baba dee baba boo. So touch position screen space. So what we want to do is get the canvas slot dot position, get position. I guess, yeah, that's what we're gonna want to do. What is this, an F vector? 2D current position. No, we don't even want to get the current position. We just want to set the position. We're going to set the position to the position fed in here minus the offset. Progress bar offset. What did I call it? it? What did I call it? Position offset. So, I think that's pretty much it. We're holding down at this point, right? We're holding down at this point. This might change. I'll just add a note here. Might change when we add. Oh, that's not add. Swipe gestures. I wonder how gestures are detected. We'll have to figure that out. But if we can get gestures working, that'll be nice. Like the swipe attack, if we can have that working, that would work perfect. And honestly, I can get rid of like the prowl actions. Oh, I can actually. I mean, I could, because then I could handle the logic. Figure out there. Send me pictures too. Yeah, I want to see what you're cooking. What you're spinning, I should say. Set the position of the bar to the 2D vector and then add the offset. In this case, we want to subtract. Also, I'm adding this here as like a note. If this doesn't work as planned and it looks funky, I can just add it somewhere on the screen, right? And have it turn invisible and stuff like that. But I do like having it, the idea of having it near your thumb, so, you know, you're already looking there and you could see it. Sorry, why am I doing this? I should be doing this here. But now, yeah, it's just all about figuring out how to get this position, which I can do by setting a delegate that gets called on touch begin in the controller, and then I can get a hold of that here. Interesting. Huh, interesting. Yeah, I know for stuff like this, it's a little more tedious, which is why, because you can do a lot of the setting up in there and moving things around and changing the position relatively easy in BPs. So UI, I honestly would recommend doing BPs, but for stuff like this, like the progress bar, I could have totally done this in a BP. I decided to go this route, whatever, but you know, for the health hearts, I did need to do this in code, in my opinion. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, make sure to click the subscribe button. Small, independent studio, growing day by day, and all the support helps. He says it's hell on earth. Alright, let's go into the base controller. Let's add a delegate. I created a delegate before, not in here per se. I know I call a health comp has been hit. Let's actually go here. So we created a dynamic delegate, but this doesn't cast out anything. So declare dynamic multicast delegate. We're going to have to declare
multicast delicate 1 param. Because all we need to do is pass in F dynamic. Give it a name now, that's it. F dynamic touch started. I wonder if I can call it that. Dang, for us it's like 25. That's the hottest. Whoa. It gets hot there, bro? You be walking around freaking... I'd be wearing some thin clothing. Okay, F dynamic touch started. So when we start, we're gonna call this, but we definitely need to get current touch. Yeah, we need that. Whoa. Whoa, I didn't know I could do that. Double tap shift to go in between things. F dynamic touch started UI. So yeah, we just broadcast this. Knockout, we call knockout, but this just calls that. So in here, I literally can just go literally on touch begin. We can just go event UI touch begin dot broadcast, and in here I can pass in the parameter, right? Param. Yeah, I don't think it's like that. Let's see what ChatGPT says. How to call. Okay, so you go that. Okay. So in here, not only do we have, all right, delicate name, param type. So we do that. And in here, when I broadcast, sorry, in the CPP, I just broadcast the touch location, right? Or is it execute? Yeah, it's broadcast. So when I broadcast that now, in here, in my progress widget, base user widget, sorry. Finish Karelia, but live in Sweden. The poop hole. Let's try not to curse. Replace, you know, with bad words. We're trying to keep it family friendly around here. I was gonna say Disney. I was like, but they ain't really family friendly. Oh, the Alps in Europe? That sounds funny. That sounds funny to do. I only say funny because with how hard of a time I had last night with boxing, I could not imagine myself visiting the Alps, bro. I'd suffer. I would suffer. So okay, so now we need to make I believe something in here, like a U function, right? U function, void touch begin event, or event touch begin. And then we're gonna generate this. Minus Finland. Oh, he's fine. He don't have to delete it. I want to keep things family friendly in here. I wish I could like grab specific words and right click it. Like, let's say I were to like click this and right click it, I could add that to the block list so in the future people can't use it. And then it would go through and put a star by those. That would be nice. So in the event touch begin, and in here we're gonna want to add a dynamic. Add the dynamic. How do we do that in this? My health widget. We get the comp, and then we get the has been hit event. Add dynamic. So we need to get a reference to the controller, which is easy. I mean, in here, progress, all we have to do is, in here, we just essentially have to say you base controller, base, what is this called? A base, that's why. A base player controller, and equal this to what? Get world dot I. We're gonna have to cast to a base player controller, right? And we're gonna have to put get world dot get first player controller, and that should return a player controller. And we should now have a reference, get reference to controller. And in here now we can essentially just say, for me particularly though, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I really want to go to Japan. I think Japan has a very, I've always liked the culture. Am I very knowledgeable of the culture? No, but I think it's a very colorful, very pretty culture. I love the subtleties of it. Controller dot what? Add dynamic. Do I add dynamic here? Ding 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 ding. Has been hit event. Okay. So in here I simply have to event UI touch begin dot add dynamic.
playing my game. Yeah, they're like internal add dynamic function f name. Event touch begin. Get trimmed member function name. Damn. Add static. Yeah, this is just not gonna work. Let's see how they bound it here. Bind static. I have to bind this. Thailand's cool. Uganda. Now, we just need to figure out how to do this.
Adobe Photoshop Lightroom makes it easy to edit the perfect photo, no matter where you are. Make quick adjustments to light and color while you're on the go, and never lose a creative moment. Try Lightroom today.
It's an F vector. That's interesting. Vector 2 double to parameter type T base structure. Cannot convert. Do I really need to do that though? I mean, it's literally the same. It's the same thing. That's so weird. This should be quick. This should be easy. It's not quick. It's not easy. It works great here. It's like, yeah, we'll do that. And here, it's like, no, you don't want to do that. Come on, bro. Unreal header tool only supports C++ identifiers of 2 or less identifiers. By the way, shout out, guys. We've reached 100 messages. Shout out to you guys for chatting and having a good time in here. Unreal header tool only supports C++ or less identifiers tool. Can I do the F vector 2D? And then in here do this. No, it's not gonna work. That's interesting, because in here we're passing in F vector 2D as the parameter, right? How do I bind this, though? I'm saying I could try using add lambda. But I don't want to do all this. This looks complicated.
This is ridiculous. Okay, so in here, you do this. That seems like a long, complicated way to set up binding. Well, now it's all about seeing if it even works. You know what? You know what the other issue is? Put the flag. Yeah, I don't get it either, Buenos. Look, Safe, I appreciate you, man. But the way it seems is you're just trying to troll. You literally put the Israeli flag, Israel's flag, and then he guessed it. Oh. Yeah, it looks like the flag. Oh, you're kidding with him? Alright. Anyways, so we're gonna also have to find a way to update this every tick, the progress, right? I can just do this in here. Get we're gonna get the held duration here, right? And it's actually, let's return a float. We're gonna make this a float, and then edit any, or what, blueprint callable. We're gonna generate a definition for this. Then in here, we're going to say that we're gonna return the held duration, and that's it. It's never used. No, you don't say. It's a getter function. That's right now. Yeah, the flags are hard to see, man.
ways. I think I can get rid of this and essentially recompile. We're going to recompile. That's interesting. It's telling me unexpected tokens, missing this before the star. I think it's because we didn't have the header. Alright, let's save this and let's refresh. Snowland? Nice. What was that? Mexico? Yeah, I think that's Mexico, dude. Mexico. Round 12 is Mexico. Senegal. Binding. I didn't have to do any binding of the sorts in here. Just have to make sure it doesn't have any things. After that, my game mode. This is actually in the level blueprints. Add to screen.
in here, UI stats, health. In the event graph or graph, event construct, event tick. Now in here, maybe we have to call something on end too. Do I have that exposed? I mean, in the controller, I could just make another dynamic controller or multicast. Declare. And then where did I put it? To set progress bar visibility to false. So in here we can also say controller dot event ended dot add dynamic. Bar event touch it. I don't know why this worked for like it worked great for here. You know, we just called a delegate on where is it? Add dynamic. You know? I wonder why that is. Why this is delegate. Maybe it's different? That's why. I also noticed that in here, or not
per se in here, but in the health component, dynamic multicast delegate. I keep picking the wrong one. My brain! Where is it? In here. Dynamic. One param. Dynamic. So that's the issue. That is the issue. What am I doing? Where's my brain? Param type, param one name. So I need to type and then touch position. And then I'm guessing now I can just add, we'll keep that controller dot event touch begin dot add dynamic this and you, Jesus, what is going on with my brain right now? You, how many rounds of this are you guys gonna do, man? How many rounds? Yo. Let's log out this. To log temp. Warning, text. I mean, I'm just gonna put one of these down under. I'll put one of these down under. We still gotta get into some stuff. Oh. Crazy. While I'm feeling the burn. So we're gonna do something similar in here where we're going to set a public bool that's gonna essentially be checked every frame. I guess I could do public, sorry. We'll do a public bool B is, I don't know. Then in here, when we touch begin, we'll do this and equals true. On release, this will equal false. Let's do that. So B is, or actually, that's in here, so I could just do that. Get is, or get progress bar size. We can get the size. You know what? It's not working. I have to make it you properly. Where is my brain? Where is my brain? It's absent. I'm absent-minded. Ridiculous. I apologize, guys. Anywhere, blueprints. It's blueprint readable. Read only. And we don't need any of this other stuff, right? Should not be used on private members. Do I need to go meta equals allow private access equals true? There. Compile. Hey, it's auxiliary cord. Welcome back to the stream, my friend. If you're bored, you can always play Guess the Flag. Safe is the one who's orchestrating all this right now. So progress bar. Progress bar. Get. Okay, cool. We can get it. Branch. Okay, if true. We want to tick every frame. Of course, I could do this in there, but I want to get the get owning player actor or player pawn. Cast. We want to cast to a base to my base character, and then as my base character we want to get controller, but then we want to cast to we want to cast from here to base player controller, right? Cast fields, progress or print. Progress bar could not get a Hey Chase, I'm finally doing BPs. Your game not done. 100% not done, man. It's gonna be a while, but we're getting there. You know? What is it? Control. I don't want to do that. I know there's a way to like line them up without doing that, but you can do that, and that makes them look nice. Anyways, we'll do that. Straighten those up. Q. From here, we just want to get held duration, right? And then on top of this, we just want to call set function or set, what is it? Set progress bar. Okay, so we're gonna have to come back in here and I mean, I guess I could get the progress bar size. Is progress bar ticking? If it is, then I mean, I could do all this relatively easy in here, but
I don't want to do it. I want to make people happy by using BPs too.
Me too. I'll be back in a while. See ya. All right. I have to go. Take care, everyone. All right, Buenos. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you when you come back safe. And I'll see you later, Buenos. Thank you for stopping by, saying hi. Sorry, it's a little quiet in here. I'm trying to focus. Set progress bar. So I guess I could just turn that into a U function. Set progress bar. Progress. Edit anywhere. Or blueprint callable. Sorry. Let's go ahead and compile.
I love you, man. Ditto, bro. Ditto. Thank you for being here. So now we should be able to set progress bar progress and just like that. But, you know, in the case that it's false, we don't have to really handle that because let's see. Yeah, we're already doing this here. When the event touch ends, right? We should be doing something. Oh, let me double check this one more time. So we set the progress position. All right. Unable to get the progress bar. Okay. That's funny. This returns. That's why we're playing right now. Man, I'll take it back. I'm sorry. I have to redo all that. I need tell, okay? Tell what? So it's not getting a hold of the canvas slot. How did I do this in this one? How did I do this in the health widget? Yeah, it's essentially the same thing. You canvas panel slot, and then I said the slot. Even though that sounds weird. Let's see here. Progress widget. We're gonna go to canvas slots. Yeah, that should work. I mean, we've added it to the child of the canvas panel. Are we not? Yeah, we bind immediately. Actually, you know what we could do? Instead of doing this on native on initialized, we can do it on progress or begin play. Let's try on begin play. Virtual void begin. Oh yeah, that is essentially the begin play. I don't have friends. Can you be my friend? Dude, we're already friends. Alright? We are already friends, bro.
Prevent, construct, pre-construct. Pre-construct. Native on initialized. I mean, we get references, or we get reference to all this other stuff. Super, native on initialize. I mean, what is it? Construct. Virtual void. No, we don't want that here. What am I thinking on here? Virtual. No, not in here either. Virtual void. Pre-construct. Native pre-construct. Construct. Native construct. Can you music funk, please? I don't know what that means. I don't even know what funk means. Oh, man. I'm hoping to get this done before 1. You know what I'm saying? Canvas slot, set that to the progress bar slot, and then we can do all the other canvas stuff. Going on? Why is this acting all weird? I saw new Fallout in a message and I was like, oh no. It's gonna be a new Fallout. So, it looks like we're not creating... Oh, you know what it is? Jesus. I think I need to create the default sub-object. That's what I did here too. Widget tree root widget equals canvas panel. So we make the root widget. Where's our widget tree? The widget tree contained in here. So I also have to make the root widget that. So I guess we can widget tree, or sorry, widget tree dot set root set how root widget. What is going on? Widget. It's not letting me widget tree. The tree widget tree contained inside this user widget initialized by the blueprints. Okay, widget tree. I bet you it's like you need to add, remove the declaration. What did I do? Whatever. Then in here, I also create, I think, construct widget. Okay, so I have to construct a widget. I can't just say, well, no, because this, I created a widget. So I have to construct the widget, I guess. All right. Bye-bye, my friend. I got to sleep. All right, you have a good night's sleep, my friend. Thank you for stopping by. Sorry, I'm not talking too much. I'm trying to concentrate. So we want to set this equal, yeah, to the widget tree, construct widget, view progress bar. Then in here we want to say view health static class. So I guess what do I just put the static class, the U progress static class, and then put the name. Prowl progress bar. Alright, so set canvas as the root widget. Create or construct. That's probably why I wasn't doing it. We were never constructing it. Construct U progress. Construct progress bar. And then, yeah, make compile. I believe that's all I have to do. Bye-bye. I mean, it's working now. We're definitely not getting the things that we want, right? Maybe it's because we didn't open level blueprints. All right, no, we're doing it. UI stats health. No, we're not doing it. Awesome. Compile, then in the progress bar, we want to go into the graph. I mean, we got all this done. No! No! You know why it's not working now? Because it's like, yo, you didn't set... You gotta set the size, bro. Every time it crashes. So every time it's just as bad. It's just as bad. First of all, yeah.
Did I click the freaking play button and do the oopsie again? I did. Why am I so... Hi, I'm a joke. I'm here all day. Dude, you're here all day? Why are you gonna play with my emotions like that, man? That's not what friends do. You're fine. I'm just joking with you, man. I'm joking now. I'm messing with you, bro. I mean, honestly, I don't know why this isn't working because it should just, yeah, progress, offset, progress, bar, size. What was it? What did I set it to? 20 or 30? 225. I gotta make it so I can't tick that. Layout, offset, rights. So what is going on? Face blue, wide eyes. So canvas panel, add child, heart, texture variable, color and offset, health stat, canvas panel set size, canvas slot image size. Is just a vector 2D, which I basically do in here. Oh, I guess it's null. Canvas panel slot the same way in here though. Don't search. Why would happen? Someone steal something, man? Set. I know I get it like this, because it's like I don't really need to have a function for that. It's one thing. It's because, I mean, this has already been created, so I should be able to get the slot from it. A canvas slot. Back, boy. I will not find you. What do I search up? GM instead? What's up, Safe? Welcome back. Yeah, I mean, this is it right here. Heart H, health hearts. I guess that's why, huh? View canvas panel slot. I believe this already has a canvas panel slot, though. Canvas panel, so in here it's like I should already have that.
it's a canvas slot. It's a U panel widget, so it should be able to cast U canvas panel slot, U canvas panel, U canvas panel slot. That's why U canvas panel. It's a U canvas panel. So it looks like in here I'm saying canvas panel, but I want to call it slot. Oh, canvas panel. That's fine. It's this one. Oh, am I saying canvas panel? No, canvas slot equals U canvas slot. Prowl slot. Everybody type potato. I'm with for your game done, man. Just search and you'll find out. Why would I want to search it if you tell me not to? Potato. Dude, I'm gonna be making some potatoes here in a bit. Make myself a breakfast burrito. A breakfast burrito. Yeah, all this stuff can be done if this gets done. So I'm gonna use the restroom. I'm gonna let this build. I'll be right back. Chase Lee, you're new here. Welcome to the channel and the stream. Everyone say hello to Chase Lee. To Chase, to the Lee. It's Al in the Brush. How's it going, Al?
how's everything been going? I'm sorry to hear about that street art fair thing. Are they gonna change the date or something? So we have a position. Cool. We can step out of this, actually. Alright, let's get rid of that. Okay. We're getting the canvas strangely now. It's once a month, which reminds me I have to apply again. Well, hopefully they'll accept it. It's all in the brush. Ooh, all in the brush. All in the brush. Why doesn't your owl use a brush as a weapon? Some weird warnings. But it doesn't seem like we're getting any position. Set progress bar position. Alright. And I think it's because we're not setting the visibility. We have to set the visibility. That's what it is. I'm not setting the visibility, am I? We set the bar's position and we set the visibility to true. I'm like 90% done with my avatar, which is good because I'm free live 2D trial. Oh, your free live 2D trial ends in 4 days. Okay. Hey. Hey. Look at that, chat. I mean, it's not exactly where we want it to be, right? But... and it looks like the further you come this way, look, the further it goes away, right? If I'm over here, it's close. If I'm over here, it's not so close. So, you know. The only issue is that it's not updating itself. Get held duration. Oh, that's why. Set. I have to figure out what to do for a debut. Well, if he wasn't a game dev, he must be a singer. Probably. Hey, look at that. Look at that. See what I'm saying, guys? Check it out. Obviously, we have to beautify it. Let's play this on a standalone game, mobile. Animations are pretty good, though, for what? For the character right now? Or my character or your character? Oh, the lion? Thank you. And we added some sound effects in if you can't hear. Here, let me turn off the freaking music, man. I swear I'm going to block this one because it always plays it and I always get a copyright. Makes me angry. But yeah. Yeah, we're gonna fix the position, but the good part is that it's working. The issue though is, look,
is the farther I go right, the farther, like, the touch position's over here, I guess. It's because of the offset. If I were to go and, let's say, sorry, exit that, come in here, and go into the designer, go like this, and yeah, the offset is 0. I'm adding 0, 0, so there's nothing being added to it, which means that the touch position is not being correctly calculated. So I might have to position, or where? How do you get to worlds space? Let me look this up. Interesting. I just need the function. Get input device by name, input device, da da da. If it's a touch device, well, that's good to know. So apparently we need to get the game viewport client viewport client equals get world dot get game viewport. Is Chase Lee making his typical comments? Yeah, interesting. Is it interesting though? I don't think you find it interesting. You're starting to hurt my feelings, man. I mean, I found a lot of Arabic people in English Hub. That's sick. And I got some Algerian friends. That's cool. Oh, I need to learn Arabic. Could be useful, but my brain is full. Yeah, I wish I could learn. I want to learn Spanish, Japanese, Aramaic, stuff like that. Is it called Aramaic? Yeah, it's Aramaic. I'm not stupid. Completely. If viewport client, then we do all this other stuff. We'll probably put this in here too. We already have our position. Viewport client dot viewport dot viewport to content scale. Yeah. Why is this occurring? is enough. Are you Japanese? Are you? No, I'm not Japanese. Are you, if you start learning Japanese, just let me know. I have tips. All right. Chase Lee, interesting. This freaking guy, dude. Just comes in and memes on me, man. Interesting. I am Scottish. Shoot, I don't, you know, isn't this already, can I debug touch? Is there any way to debug the touch or draw, debug, not box. Because the issue I have right now is that obviously it works. On here, it's different because if let's see what it's like in Pi. I mean, it works in Pi. Obviously, there's some things we have to work out. For instance, like when we're on the wall, we don't do that. I'm American, but language learning is my hobby. I like writing systems and pronunciations particularly. Really? Are you streaming on Twitch? No, I'm not streaming on Twitch right now. It's always a pain in the butt. Don't go on his Twitch. Yeah, stay here, guys, on YouTube and on Twitter. Or X, I should say. One, I want to set the visibility to off. Well, let's just fix what we can in here. So let's go into the graph. Set first of all, what we're going to want to do is we want to let's grab all these. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Big no. I'm getting a reference every single frame. Or every tick I'm getting a reference, which was just dumb. I don't know why I thought that. Why did I do that? All right, so in progress ticking, we don't need to do that. What the heck? Why did I get an error there? So at the beginning, we get our references, right? We can promote this, promote to variable. I mean, if we move this out too, we can promote to, well, really we don't need the player. We need to get reference to this. Then we want to paste what we have here. If we're holding down, we do want to get the held duration as the base player here, and a couple of other things we're going to check for if we're on the wall, but the main thing here is we want to check if one, if we're ticking, or I guess we should say if the progress bar, I can actually handle this. No, this will call once. We need to check this every tick. So as this, I want to get the held duration, right? And essentially I want to say, not the held duration. We don't need that. We need the progress bar. Progress bar. Or actually, I can't set it because it's not even created yet. So in here, I guess I'll do this. And in the tick. Hey, Chase A13. How's it going, brother? No, can do. If you do, it's do. Don't do. Hoo. I really like that. That made me tingle on the inside when I read it. Made me happy. Nothing makes me happy anymore. Okay, let's just do virtual void tick here. Or honestly, when we're setting the progress bar position or the progress, we could do something in here. Because this gets called every frame. And we can say if progress bar progress dot get percent does not equal 100. I think it's 100. Can I say max? 100. Whatever. Shoot. I guess I should say that. Man. There's some checks we're going to have to do here because I don't like this. We're going to have to get the handheld threshold. Blueprints. Give me some useful things about math. I don't know. What happens when you multiply a dot product by a dot product? I don't know. Raleigh, I'm on Twitter. I'm going to say hi to you. Hello, everybody on Twitter. Make sure to click the follow button. And if you haven't already, go to my YouTube, like, and subscribe over there as well. And join the Discord, where we converse every day and have fun while we doing it. Alrighty? Thank you very much. Did you guys like my happy voice? That's my happy voice. Yeah, I don't like how I'm doing this, chat. Subscribe, yes. Listen to Owl in the Brush. I don't like how I'm doing this, like at all. I think I will call it on every check, and make this simple here. This gets called every frame, so I could check here if, you know, things equal a certain thing, but we're going to have to get the base controller. And we have the hold threshold here, so we can get the hold threshold, right, from this, and essentially say, shoot, yeah, because it's still not created. So even if we did that, we still would have some issues. Shmee. I guess I should say if progress bar is ticking and this even exists, then we do that. Because if it doesn't exist, we'll run into an error. Prowl progress bar. Let's see, is that even... Is this even... Yeah, it's a U property that I can set. me. I should have this set on the construction of the actual thing. And that would help. Chase Lee, you're never happy, dude. You're always angry and mad on the inside at me. I don't know why. I mean, I guess when is native on initialize called? Okay, so this is like the construction of it. So this is essentially, I should see in the designer. No, I don't see it. So when it's actually created on here, that gets created and placed in. And then we see it. But we don't see it prior to the construction of the actual thing. Which I should do, but man, this is a freaking weird little merry-go-round. It's a weird little merry-go-round. I'm not too excited about this. And I want to cook me some food, because my time to eat has begun. So, some things we're going to have to do later today, and I should have this finished. But at the moment, guys, so the progress bar essentially tells us when we're going to progress from a walking stance into the prowl stance, right? One, we have an issue where the touch position or the offset could be immense or not, depending on where we click. If I click on the left, you'll see it spawns really close. I click to the right, not so much, right? It spawns all the way over here. So we're going to have to fix that. Two, once we finish, I want that to end. So we're going to fix that as well. And then also, we shouldn't be getting this when we're on a wall slide or we're initiating a wall jump, essentially. But yeah, other than that, that's kind of what we've gotten up to today on the stream. I'm going to end it there. I'm going to go make myself some food. Hopefully I can get this. I think I'll get it all done today, right? But on Monday, throughout the week, I should hopefully have the attack finished. So make sure to tune in. Raleigh, can you make me some food, please? Of course, man. I'll make sure to instant transmute it there. Soft reference to Akira Toriyama. RIP. Rest in peace, man. Great inspiration. But other than that, I'm going to bounce on out of here, guys. I'm going to go make myself some food. So until next time, God bless. I'll catch you around. And Jesus loves you. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe. Peace. Bye, everyone. Y'all have an excellent day. Make sure to join the Discord if you want to hang out.